on, guys? Welcome to Siblings Crafts. In today's video we're going to be making a DIY tie holder. It's a really simple and useful craft, so let's get started. You'll need a hanger, some toilet paper rolls, a pair of scissors, and a glue gun. So to get started, get your toilet paper rolls and your pair of scissors and cut small circle strips. Make sure it's not too thin or too wide. Once you've got all the toilet paper pieces you need, use your glue gun to add some glue at the bottom of the hanger and stick on the toilet paper pieces. You can glue them on in any pattern or shape that you want. That's the end of the video, guys. We hope you enjoyed this DIY tie holder craft. I'm sure I did, and so did my dad, because these are all his ties. And it's greatly appreciated if you guys could like and subscribe, as it greatly supports us. So see you next time on another Siblings Craft. Bye!